Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So let's go. First and easiest, use the button method. Open the screen you want to capture. For now, I'll just go with the present one. Press the power button plus volume down button at the same time. You'll see a quick flash and hear a shutter sound. That means your screenshot is saved. Second is palm swipe to capture. Go to settings, scroll down until you see the option called advanced features and tap on it. Go to motions and gestures and now turn on palm swipe to capture. Now swipe the side of your hand across the screen, left to right or right to left. This will capture your screen instantly. And after you take a screenshot, you'll see a toolbar at the bottom. You can use it to edit, crop or scroll capture for long screenshots. All screenshots are saved in your gallery under Screenshots album. And that's how you take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G with buttons, palm swipe or the screenshot toolbar. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Samsung tips and let me know in the comments which method you like best. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.